What should I have expected when I walk alone on the darkest road? And my house is my home and the rest of the world is just cold. Behold the truth. Is it really only me and you? Is it really only what we do and what we choose? Is this all a game that we win or lose? Is this all just a game that we win or lose? I quit. My cards are folded. So let the rain, let the rain, let the rain, let it pour. I can't take this anymore. And what should I have expected when I chose a path I knew just couldn't last? 'Cause what I see, what I dream, what I believe, what you expect is the best, and I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. And what I breathe is the passion that you lack. And when I leave, I just hope that I'll come back for more. Back for more. So let the rain, let the rain, let the rain, let it pour. What I need, what I